Ki pulit gejala Meglaya haka arpun rew terek jong ujiliau arhajar arpusan kelawan yang lami kilai ngut kibla syakam na Madhya Pradesh halo kejing subah bakila pendo bat bure kisabut kibedai bagajing syak peniap uraja Raghuvanshi ha dan kaksat we saudong hasora haka arpulai terek ujemang kini kilai ngut kibaga penhun special investigation team kelawan yang lam Shillong kintup yu Silom James u Lokendra Singh Tomar bat u Balbir Aherbar bat dikini lam bet syakasadar police station Hakapor janmiet ki pulit kle alam kini kilangot ki yang syari banyak tian bishar. U assistant public prosecutor Tushar Chanda uleto bagi yang syari kelarai ban set Ndru Sngi haka police custody. Ya kini kilangot kenang bagi pulit kini ban penlong ya kejing Tohkit. Uleto ru bagi pulit kilapan pras Sngi ban set haka police custody hendra ki yang syari kala Ndru Sngi ban set haka police custody.
This Silcom, then Lokendro and this Balbir, they were produced before the Honorable Court today, and all the three accused were remanded to police custody for 6 days.
Was there any defense from
Yes,
their side?
legal aid council they appeared.
But not from Indore.
No.
Police had sought for how many days?
Police sought for 8 days. Court has granted 6 days police custody.
Any other observations from the court, sir? For the
No.
police?
No.
Thank you.
Actually, we have not sent everyone, 2 of them, but they didn't want to make the statement before the magistrate. No, that's the discussion. That is their prerogative. No? The court has produced process order also that they were not willing.
So how strong is this case now?
Yes, we have ample evidence. Yeah, we have ample evidence right from the beginning and even till now also. Whatever material we have, these are good evidence that we have. We'll wait for the FSL reports and also these will add strength to the 3 accused persons. They were being brought from Madhya Pradesh on the transit remand, and they reached today. And accordingly, we sent them forwarded them to court for production, and we've got 6 days police custody for the 3 persons. We had asked for 8 days. 6 days were provided to us, and we are going to thoroughly interrogate them. And then whatever facts which relate to the destruction of evidence, then we'll try to uncover that, as well as any other aspects that come out. See, right from the beginning, all the whatever we have got is like it had already been briefed that there was this bag which was actually disclosed by the accused persons, Raj as well as Sonam. So when we went there and then after accessing those visuals and all, we saw that this bag had already been taken out, and accordingly we'd send a dispatcher team there. And then the team, when they reached there, they accessed those visuals, CCTVs and all, and then they found that this person was involved. And then later on we found that the bag was burned also, the same bag. See, the first thing is like we said, the intention first was in fact it was greed also, we can say, and as well as what they've done in the process is of course the destruction of very vital evidences. And in fact right now we are going to investigate, interrogate them, and then find out whether if we are able to get some more light into it, whether, because these materials like laptop and all, they said that they have been thrown, but we will interrogate them and find out where exactly they're thrown, or whether it's still being kept somewhere. We'll find out. And you found there was the weapon that was seized yesterday, that gun, and along with the ammunition, and then that 50,000 which we had retrieved from the vehicle. So these are the things that we had recovered. But in fact, right now we are going to, since we've got police custody, we're going to interrogate more on the materials that were actually being disclosed by the previous accused. Because what we've learned is from the statement of of Raj as well as Akash, they had disclosed that there was a weapon in the bag. So accordingly, we were able to get that and then retrieve it.